In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly manage your tasks using Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever struggled with organizing your to-dos efficiently, this guide is perfect for you. So let's dive in and make task management a breeze. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook. This might be the desktop app if you're working on a PC, or it could be the web version if you're accessing it through a browser. Either way, Outlook is an incredibly powerful tool for handling emails and tasks simultaneously, making your day-to-day communications and responsibilities much more manageable. Once you've got Outlook open in front of you, we'll move on to turning emails into tasks. This is one of the most compelling features Outlook offers, as it allows you to create tasks directly from your inbox, ensuring nothing gets forgotten or lost. To begin, scroll through your emails and choose one that you want to transform into a task. Maybe it's a follow-up reminder or an action item from a meeting. Whatever it is, find that email and get ready for the next step. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for a small red flag icon associated with your selected email. This flag is your gateway to turning emails into tasks. Simply click on that red flag. By doing this, you're telling Outlook to take that email and add it to your task list. It's such a neat way to keep track of important emails and ensure that they become actionable. When you click the flag, the email is automatically added to your to-do list, and you'll see it appear among your other tasks. This technique is a fantastic way to maintain productivity, ensuring that your action items are centralized in one place. And there you have it. Once you've flagged the email, your task creation is complete. It really is that simple. Incorporating this little habit into your daily routine can have a significant impact on your productivity levels and will help you stay on top of your workload. So just remember, when an email requires follow-up, flag it and watch as your task list grows automatically. To wrap up, mastering task management in Outlook can save you time and keep you organized. By converting important emails into tasks with just a click, you're not only streamlining your workflow, but also ensuring that crucial tasks never slip through the cracks. This in turn gives you peace of mind and allows you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that implementing these steps into your daily routine will drastically improve your task management. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your digital tools. Happy organizing!